Hello Vivikians, a very warm welcome to the maths class again. Hope you all are safe and healthy with your family members. You must have understood the topics of chapter 1 done till now, that how to compare numbers, how to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order, about even number and odd number. Now let's start with today's work. Today we shall start with page number 22. Those who are having book, they can open their book, and those who are not having, they can refer to the screenshot being provided to you all. Some important instructions are, if you have book, then do the given work in book. And if you don't have the book, no need to copy down the questions and no need to draw any picture. You can directly do the answers in any notebook. Now our today's topic is rounding off numbers. And the main objective of today's lesson is to round off the numbers to the nearest tens and nearest hundreds. So let's start. First of all, what is rounding off? Rounding means making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. In simple ways, you can say rounding is to replace the number with another one that has value approximately equal to our original number. For example, if someone asks you that how many students are in your class, और आपको exactly याद ही नहीं है कि कितने students हैं, but आपको थोड़ा सा idea है कि near about 37, 39 है, तो आप कैसे बताएंगे? You will say that near about 40 students in my class. So what you have done, you have rounded off that number. So there are certain situations where it is difficult to tell the exact number. In such situations, we round off the numbers. So this is called rounding off. Now let's learn more about it. So rounding off numbers can be nearest tens and nearest hundreds. We will start with nearest tens. Here are few numbers you can see: 13, 49 and 75. We have to round off these numbers to nearest tens. Let's start with 13. You can see there is a number line. Clear? We have to represent 13 on this number line first of all. So where is 13? Yes, you can see I have written here 13. Now 13 के nearest tens में कौन से number आ रहे हैं? It is 10 and 20. अब हम देखेंगे कि 13 के ज़्यादा closer कौन सा number है, 10 या 20. So find out. 13 को 10 तक जाने में कितने स्टेप्स लेने पड़ेंगे? 1, 2 एंड 3. और 13 को 20 तक जाने में कितने स्टेप्स लेने पड़ेंगे? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. सो 7 स्टेप्स लेने पड़ेंगे 13 को 20 तक जाने में. क्लियर? सो विच इज़ मोर क्लोजर? क्लियरली 10 इज़ मोर क्लोजर देन 20. सो वी विल राउंड ऑफ 13 to 10. Another number 49. Again a number line is here. 49 is somewhere between 40 and 50. तो 49 की जो nearest tens हैं वो हैं 40 and 50. Now we will check that which is more closer to 49. 49 को 40 तक आने में 9 steps लेने पड़ेंगे और 49 को 50 तक जाने में only 1 step लेना पड़ेगा. So which is more closer? Clearly 50 is more closer. So we will round off 49 to 50. Another number 75. Clear? 75 is somewhere between 70 and 80. So look at this number line. Where is 75? Yes, here it is 75. अब 75 के nearest tens कौन कौन से हैं? 70 and 80. अब 75 को 70 तक आने में 5 steps लेने पड़ रहे हैं और 75 को 80 तक जाने में भी 5 steps ही लेने पड़ रहे हैं. तो ये तो दोनों सेम हो गए. बोथ आर सेम. देन व्हाट वी विल डू? सो ऑलवेज इन दिस केस, जब भी आपको ये 5 वाला मिडिल नंबर वाला केस आता है, सो वी विल ऑलवेज टेक देम टू द ग्रेटर साइड. तो हम इसको राउंड ऑफ करेंगे 80 के लिए. वी विल राउंड ऑफ दिस नंबर टू 80. So through this number line, we get this result that you will always get two options. Either you round down the number to the smaller side or you round up the number to the greater side. So whenever the digit at the ones place is smaller than 5, we will round down the number to the smaller side. And whenever the digit at the ones place is 5 or greater than 5, we round up the number to the greater side. So in this way, we can round off the numbers to their nearest tens. Now, another method to find rounding off the numbers to the nearest tens. Clear? You will do all the questions by this method. I have explained the number line just to clear the concept of rounding off. Clear? So you will do all the questions by this method. Now here are some numbers 43, 69 and 95. Now we have to round off these numbers to their nearest tens. In this method, no need to draw any number line. We can do it directly. Now the first example is 43. In this method, first of all, you have to underline the digit at the ones place. So here at the ones place, the digit is 3. Clear? Now write down 0 at ones place and now check whether it is less than 5 or greater than 5. Now clearly 3 is less than 5. So we will write down the tens place as it is. यानी सबसे पहले आपने ones place को underline करना है और उसकी जगह पर 0 लिखना है. Then you have to check that whether it is less than 5 or greater than 5. अगर ये less than 5 होगा तो आपने tens digit को as it is लिख देना है. Now come to the second number 69. So the first thing is you have to underline the digit at the ones place and write down 0 at its place. Now it is greater than 5. So in this case you have to add 1 at tens place. So at tens place there is 6. So when we will add 1 to 6 it becomes 7. So we rounded 69 to 70. Another example 95. First thing you have to underline the digit at the ones place and write down 0 at its place. Now if it is 5 or greater than 5, you have to add 1 at the tens place. Now at tens place the digit is 9. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So it becomes 100. Now another example is of 3-digit number. जैसे हमने 2-digit number में solve किया है वैसे ही हमने 3-digit number में भी nearest 10 find out करना है. So the number is 354. So same as we have done in 2-digit numbers. First of all, underline the digit at the ones place and write down 0 at its place. अब ये 5 से लेस है या 5 से ग्रेटर है ये चेक करना है. इट इज़ लेस देन 5 है तो आपने टेंस प्लेस वाले डिजिट को एज इट इज़ लिख देना है. एंड सिमिलरली हंड्रेड्स प्लेस वाले डिजिट को आपने कुछ नहीं करना है, इसको एज इट इज़ यहाँ पर लिख देना है. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन डू दिस. Now another example is 278. It is also a 3-digit number. So first of all we have to underline the digit at the ones place and write down 0 at its place. Now it is greater than 5. So what we have to do, we have to add 1 at tens place. Here at tens place the digit is 7. So 7 plus 1 is 8. और 100 place वाले digit को आपने as it is लिख देना है, इसमें कोई change नहीं करना है. So these are the examples of 3-digit number. Similarly we can do this in 4-digit number also. I have taken here 4537. So the first step is underline the digit at the ones place. Here at ones place the digit is 7. So write down 0 at its place. Now check whether it is less than 5 or greater than 5. Clearly it is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 at the tens place digit. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 100 place और 1000 place वाले digit को आपने कुछ नहीं करना है, इसको आपने as it is लिख देना है. So what we learnt in these questions, we have learnt that we have to underline first of all at ones place and then write down 0 at its place. If it is less than 5, write down the digit as it is, and if it is 5 or greater than 5, we will add 1 at tens place. Clear? So 2-digit number और 3-digit number and 4-digit number सभी questions आपने इसी तरह से करने हैं. Now we will round off the numbers to nearest hundreds and we will learn this by these examples. So a few numbers are here: 124, 389, 652. So we will round off these numbers to nearest hundreds. Let's start with 124. तो नियरेस्ट हंड्रेड्स में द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज़ टू अंडरलाइन द डिजिट एट द टेंस प्लेस. नियरेस्ट टेंस में हम वंस प्लेस वाले डिजिट को अंडरलाइन करते थे, लेकिन नियरेस्ट हंड्रेड्स में हम क्या करेंगे, टेंस प्लेस वाले डिजिट को अंडरलाइन करेंगे. क्लियर? द सेकेंड स्टेप इज़ टू मेक वंस एंड टेंस प्लेस 0. हम वंस प्लेस और टेंस प्लेस की जगह 0 कर देंगे बिकॉज हम नियरेस्ट हंड्रेड्स कर रहे हैं. क्लियर? एंड देन चेक द अंडरलाइन डिजिट. अब अंडरलाइन डिजिट को चेक करेंगे वेदर इट इज़ लेस देन 5 और ग्रेटर देन 5. Now clearly 2 is less than 5, तो हम 100 प्लेस वाले डिजिट को as it is यहाँ पर लिख देंगे. So it becomes 100. Another example, 389. Again, underline the digit at the tens place and make the digit of ones place and tens place 0. Then check the underlined digit whether it is less than 5 or greater than 5. Now 8 is greater than 5, so we will add 1 to the digit at 100 place. So 3 plus 1 is 400, so it becomes 400. Another example, 652. Underline the digit at the tens place, make ones and tens place digit 0, and now check. Now we have learned this, if the digit is 5 or greater than 5, then we will add 1 at the 100 place digit. So 6 plus 1, 7, so it becomes 700. Similarly, we can round off the 4 digit number also to the nearest hundreds. So the concept is same, that we have to underline the digit at the tens place. Then हमने वंस प्लेस और टेंस प्लेस वाले डिजिट को क्या कर देना है 0, और फिर हमने अंडरलाइन डिजिट को चेक करना है वेदर इट इज़ लेस देन 5 और ग्रेटर देन 5. क्लियरली 7 इज़ ग्रेटर देन 5, सो वी हैव टू ऐड 1 एट द प्रीवियस नंबर टू द प्रीवियस नंबर. सो 8 प्लस 1 इज़ 9, और 1000 प्लेस वाला डिजिट आपने एज इट इज़ लिख देना है, इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. सो इट बिकम्स 2900. Another example of 4 digit number. First thing, you have to underline the digit at the tens place. Now make ones and tens place 0, then check this underlined digit whether it is less than 5 or greater than 5. It is less than 5, so there is no change to the digit at 100 place and 1000 place, so it becomes 4200. So with the help of these examples, you have to solve Let's Try 9 in your maths course book and My Turn 9 in your practice book. So that's all for today. Thank you. I would request all the parents to just assist their words in completing their home assignment. If you have any doubt in any question, we will clear it when we will meet in school. So we will meet again with a new topic. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.